Good morning, grade 5. Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we want to talk about collective collective nouns. Okay, I want to talk about, when we talk about two things, we say a trousers is a pair of trousers, right? A pair of trousers. Okay, so here I have rice. What do we say to rice? A dish of rice. My answers, I have sheet, bangle, pear, bowl, slice, bag, and bottle. A dish of rice. We have this vocabulary where we are saying a dish of rice. Yes, Takunda?
A peck.
No, I don't have peck. I have sheet, I have bundle, I have pear, bowl, slice, bag, bottle, a dish of rice.
A peck of no.
I don't
A
have peck.
pear.
A bag of rice. Yes. A bag of rice. A dish of trousers. You know your trousers? That is two things. A dish of trousers. I have sheet, bangle, pear, ball, slice, bag, and bottle. Sean is now frozen. Sean, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please take down these answers so that we can try to fill them in? Can you write sheet?
The answers.
Yes, the answers. Can you write them down? SHEET, the sheet, sheet.
Yes.
And then I have a bangle.
what?
SHEET, SHEET. And then I have bangle, BUNDLE, BUNDLE, a bangle, BUNDLE. And then I have a pair, 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 pair. Then I have a ball,
P-E.
PAIR, PAIR, pair. Then I have ball, 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 ball. Slice, 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 SLICE. Then I have bag, 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 BAG. And the last one is bottle, a bottle, a bottle, BOTTLE. So some answers, you can use them twice, okay? There are some answers that you can use twice. Now let's go back. A dish of paper, a dish of paper. Yes, Chantel? A sheet of paper, a Chantel behind the scenes here, a sheet of paper, okay? A dish of paraffin, a dish of paraffin. Look at your answers there. Yes, Takunda?
Yeah.
Yes, Takunda?
A bottle.
A bottle.
A bottle
Yes, a bottle
of paraffin.
Yes, good. A dish of scissors, a dish of scissors. A dash of scissors. Anyone who can try before I get Chantel? A dash of scissors. Yes, Sean?
A pair.
Yes, Sean?
A pair.
A pair of scissors. What about a dash of trousers? A dash of trousers.
A pair.
A pair again. A pair. This one I'll give it to Chantel. A dash of bread, Chantel. A slice of bread, a slice of bread. You can see Takunda is smiling, you see, because he's not smiling at the answer. He's thinking about that slice of bread. Takunda, so yeah, Takunda is already on the slice of bread. After this, I'm sure he's going to go into the bread bin there and get, I'm sure Takunda doesn't take one slice. How many slices do you take, Takunda? Please don't take the whole loaf, please, Takunda, please. How many do you take, Takunda?
6.
6 slices. You see, Takunda is a big man. 6 slices for a big man. Yes, Takunda. All right. A dish of maize. A dish of maize. A dish of maize. Yes, Chantel? A bag of maize. A bag, not a ball. Ah, Takunda, a ball of maize. Ah, Takunda. A dash of maize. A bag of maize. You know that 50 kgs. That one. I know Takunda also loves that one. If he loves the slice of bread, he should love that bag of maize. He knows he's going to be eating salsa. Takunda, yes. Salsa for a big guy, yes. All right. And then a dash of wool. You know the wool that your grandmother uses.
Wool.
A ball of wool. Yes, yes, Takunda. A ball of wool. Which other one? A dash of firewood. I left the word pile. A dash of firewood.
A pile.
A pile of
A pile.
Yes, a pile of firewood. I left the word pile. Yes,
That's
a
the
pile
answer, teacher.
firewood. Yes. So I'm going to send this work for English. Takunda, are you able to see your classroom?
Yes. Nope.
Okay.
I only see the Shona one.
All right. So I'm going to open it for you. And can you ask Mommy? I'll send the invite to you, and then can Mommy accept? Okay.
Yes.
You tell her, Auntie, I'll send the invite again, then Mommy can accept, and then I'm hoping that you'll be able to see your work. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. We've come to the end of our lesson. Thank you so much, Takunda and Sean. At least we managed to do our recap and also do our English. Okay, so remember, a pair of trousers. So I'm going to send work that is related to that, and then you answer the question the way we did it together. Have a nice day. Let's see each other again tomorrow. So bye. See you again. I hope on Monday we're going to see each other face to face. So bye, Takunda, and bye, Sean.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. See you again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.